Kubli pi barong ipidang sobhai pi shakring kutuk kubor mita ka janmin haswabing ya sedang tungi pai shishkimat ki bakongsan. Ai kublai Kargil Vijay Diwas umudi yakari ong baka long ka jingjab ka ba ai mensim bat penpau ka jingslur kisipai jong kari. Kiu ka jingdon jong ki balakot no COVID khat khandai shakan rupholai point khandai phoi nak shispa hakari nang kiu ki bidang don COVID khat khandai hamig hlaya. But kerpat medical superintendent ka Shillong Civil Hospital yaki pait ba bakimdai ban iben yaki nongtre ka hospital ong ba amla man khang ya ka hospital. Ikubor ki babanya Menteri rang badu kari Narendra Modi ula ai kublai Kargil Vijay Diwas syakari da ka ba ong ba ka long ka jingjab ka ba ai mensiam bat ka penpawe ka jingslur jong ka sipai kari haba ai jing kren syakari ling ba ka program man ki bat ling ba ka All India Radio hene kasni umudi penpawe ka jingsongu ya ki sipai bat kumju iki kimi ki pa ki jongki ula ong ba dei hakni kasni arphois nam menshwa ba ki sipai kari ki lala ban kintiu ya ka lama jong ka jingjab ha ka thma Kargil. Ke India kala yo ban mat ya ka jingdan bon tam ki balakot hakashisngi nadu bawan ke ja ka klam COVID khat khandai hakari hadu lai pun riu hajar shispa sausan ngut ki nongpang ki lakot apo ka arpsau kenta bat ka penlong ya ka jingkiu jong ki bakot shakan riu pulai pon khandai phuai na ka shispa ka jingdan jong ki balaklat kala her shaka ar point lai phuai na ka shispa hakari katba hajala meglaya hadin bladon sa ar pulai ngut ki barang yo thamai COVID khat khandai ka jingdan jong ki ni jong ki badang don uniuk nyang jingpang kala kiu shaka sanspa san pusan ngut ka jingdon jong baro ki badan COVID khat khandai ha East Khasi Hills ka long south spa hanru phongut West Khasi Hills laingut ribhoi sop khandai ngut West Giant Hills si phongut East Giant Hills khandai ngut West Garo Hills khatsan ngut South West Garo Hills saungut South Garo Hills arngut East Garo Hills iway but North Garo Hills arngut hadu menta ka jingdon jong ki balakot ka long shispa khandai ngut pat san ngut ki balaklan West Giant Hills la penbela containment zone ya kadong Lum Suyung New Hill hajuai hadin blood don COVID khat khandai iwe ibriu iban nakatika than la khangru ya kajuai blood bank kabadon hapanaler juai hadu shitayo khanang banyo sanret dawai katba West Khasi Hills arngut ki pulet bat we nongbur ka truck FCI kala yo COVID khat khandai ki bor penyat district la kentui patba bakimdai banting ki officer katanat ka kot ka khia kila suba ba ka longkme ka bana mauba ka bala khlat no na ka jing shakta ha COVID khat khandai man ha kasngi palai balala kala banya bed yo niu khnyang jingpang na ki ba wan khawai tho na Greenwood Resort khanapara u director ka health services MI u Dr Aman War ulo ong ba katanat kadang wat jingtep lada kani ka longkme ka yajan bat arngut na ki ba wan khawai tho na mau pre mauba ki badan COVID khat khandai kani ka longkme ka dei ka ba bu dukan bat kala ban kendu ya bon ngut ki briu hakatayo balala bat kani kala penlong ya katanat ban subajur bakani ka longkme kala bet yuni khnyang jingpang naki bawan ya tho hakaju kapor Dr War la penpau ya ka jing sokhia halor ka jinglong jingman bat ula ong ba ka jingkiu jong kani ka jingpang kalong ka bakhus lai bha
something she was selling something so she has met a lot of people including what we are trying to see now is that wedding attendees, they were positive from that side, 2 cases. They had moved around. So that is a very strong suspicion. Definitely is worrying. That is why there is this containment zone all over. And plus, we are going for the lockdown. Because of that, when we saw that number of cases yesterday, which came out, that is why that was a cause of worry, and that has led to the lockdown. Lockdown why? Because we have to go for the massive contact tracing.
Medical Superintendent ka Shillong Civil Hospital u Dr SS Nongbri ula kerpat ki patba bakimdai banyo benyi ki doktor bat ki nongtrei ka hospital ula penshai ba barok praspa ngut ki bayajan bat u doktor u badan COVID khat khandai kimshim ladon uni khnyang jingpang hadin bla dep test yaki u batai shu baki kindon ki bayadai bat ki quarantine yaki nongtrei ka kot ka khia ka compare banya ka jongki riu patba bat kani kala ban penlong yaki nongtrei ka kot ka khia ban trei ha ka hospital kat baki low risk contact kila ban one tray na ying kat baki high risk contact kila ban one tray na ki quarantine center kinong tray kila ban mi tang na ying ni quarantine center sha hospital bat na hospital sha ying ni quarantine center shu Dr. Nongbriu la benrap ba ka hospital kan yai beteng ban sumari ki nongpang bat kan omdan ka jingkhang ya ka hospital.
Please don't discriminate the staff, because these low-risk staff, they will be staying from home and they will be coming from home. And from my side, as a head of the institution, I have already given them strong, strict protocol that they should come from home straight to work and from the workplace straight home. They cannot go anywhere, they cannot go here and then, roam here and there. So that is how we have tackled it. And home quarantine means they will stay at home and come to home and go back home.
Ka jingslur bat ka jinglan ladi na ka benta ka ri ka jela kala long ka khana jung ki riuslur ha ka National Cadet Corps ha Meghalaya bat kani kala penlong ya ka NCC ban kan mau buram ya ki riuslur ka tma Kargil ha ka sngi rakhi ya ka Kargil divas ka ba arphuai na ka daw jong ka jing shakta ha ka klam covid khat khandai palat arspa san phongut ki cadet ka NCC ki shuhab ban penlong ya ka jing batai bat ka jing pen I ya ki video halor ka jing slur bat ka jing yakun u Captain Kashing Clifford Nongrum bat ki we ki riuslur ka tma Kargil uni ukun baslur ka jela Meghalaya u Captain Kashing Clifford Nongrum u balayo ya ka Mahavir Chakra posthumous ula len lade ban yo kurup ya ka point saw hajar pras pa khat ar ha batlik sector ha Kargil udairu u cadet barim ke NCC bat usamla puli na St. Anthony's College ha bakan mau buram ya ki tu ki sngi ki balalej ukpa jong u ula ai khubor kerpang ha kani ka sngi bat boot saki cadet ke NCC.
The supreme sacrifice made by our beloved son Captain Kashing Clifford Nongrum MVC be an inspiration to the youth of our state and the nation, and to dedicate their daily life for a better tomorrow.
Captain Kashing Clifford Nongrum of Meghalaya has also been a part of NCC from St. Anthony's College and has made the state Meghalaya and the city Shillong proud with his zealous and valorous sacrifice in the Kargil War.
Dear Captain, you dared like no one, but always cared a little more than everyone. If bravery ever had a name, with Paramveer it came. Those battlefields actually knew what heroism was. Because of the Shesha, the war arose from us. Born on the hills and union.
Hashawan penkut ngi phai bang sai sin ki mat ki bakong san. Ai kublai Kargil Vijay Diwas Modi ya kari ong ba ka long ka jingjap ka ba ai museum bat penpau ya ka jingslur jong sipai kari. Kiu ka jingdan jong ki blakot no covid khat khandai shakan rupulai pon khandai phuai na kispa hakari nang kiu ki badang don covid khat khandai ha Meghalaya. But kerpat medical superintendent ka Shillong Civil Hospital yaki patba ba kimdai ban iben yaki nong trai ka hospital ong ba amla ban khang yaki hospital. Di perlo katung la poi ba ko jong kani ka thup kbor jingi benta ka janmit hadu min shem yang bat phi la shai ka sngi khublei phi baro.